Number 1 says, what is the volume of this prism? So if I were going to do it, I would be finding the the length, the width, and the height. So first I'm going to start with the length, which is 4, the width, which is 4, and the height, which is 3. So I know one of my formulas for volume is length times width times height. So if I plug those numbers in, 4 times 4 times 3. 4 times 4 is 16. So then I have to multiply 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So the volume of this cube, or this rectangular prism, is 48 cubic units. Number 2 says, Raul says he can find the area of the rectangle that is 1.5 inches by 3 inches by using addition. Write a number model that Raul could use to find the area of this rectangle. So, I know my rectangle is 1.5 by 3. So if I cut this into 3s, I know right here is 1.5. I know right here is 1.5. And I know right here is 1.5. So I can add them together. So since it's only asking for a number model or an expression, all you need to do is write 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. Number 3 says, this prism is made of unit cubes. Use volume equals area of base times height to find the volume. So if I want to do the area of the base, I would look right here and see that it is 6. Then I would look at the height, which is right here, see that it's 2, and multiply them. 6 times 2 is 12. Therefore, the answer is 12 cubic units. Number 4 says, insert parentheses to make the equations true. So we have 2 plus 3 times 4 equals 20. So first, I'm going to try my parentheses around the 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So that would be correct. For the second one, again, I'm going to try right here, putting my parentheses around 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 3 is 17. So we know that that cannot be correct. So now I'm going to try to put my parentheses around 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore, that is where the parentheses go. And number 5 says, how did you figure out the volume of the prism in problem 1? So it depends on how you figured it out. When I solved the problem, I found the length of the prism, I found the width, and I found the height. I knew that one of the formulas for volume is length times width times height. So then I multiplied them together, and I got my answer, which is 48. If you use a different method, that's fine. Just make sure to explain exactly what you did.